Now we all of us discuss types of chemical reactions. Chemical reactions are classified into four types in accordance with the nature and number of the reactant and product. That four types are combination reaction, decomposition reaction, displacement reaction, and double displacement reaction. Now discuss combination reaction. Definition of combination reaction is when two or more reactants combine in a reaction to form a single product. It is called a combination reaction. Now discuss different examples of combination reaction. First example is ammonia gas and hydrogen chloride gas reacts with each other. Then salt ammonium chloride is formed in gaseous state, but immediately due to the condensation process at room temperature it got transferred into the solid state. As a result, white smoke was formed in a chemical reaction. Okay, so chemical reaction is NH3 plus HCl gives NH4Cl. Second example is magnesium burn in air. White powder of magnesium oxide is formed. Chemical reaction is twice Mg plus O2 gives twice MgO. Here reactant are 2 and product is 1. Third example is calcium oxide reacts with water molecule. Calcium hydroxide is formed. During this process large amount of heat is generated. So the chemical reaction is CaO plus H2O gives CaOH twice plus heat energy. In this way we all of us discuss combination reaction. Page number 36. Three questions given in our book. You solve these questions in your book. Okay, now we discuss second chemical reaction is decomposition reaction. Definition of decomposition reaction is the chemical reaction in which two or more products are formed from a single reactant is called decomposition reaction. Now we discuss different examples of it. First example is when sugar heated in evaporating dish. After some time if we see black substance is formed, so the chemical reaction is C12H22O11 gives 12C plus 11H2O. Second example is take calcium carbonate in a test tube, feed bent tube to this test tube with the help of a rubber cork. Insert the other end of the bent tube in the freshly prepared lime water taken in the other test tube. Heat the powder calcium carbonate in the first test tube strongly. Lime water turns milky. Calcium carbonate undergoes decomposition and carbon dioxide gas formed. That gas turns lime water milky, that is second product. So chemical reaction is CaCO3 gives CaO plus CO2. Third example is decomposition of hydrogen peroxide to form H2O and O2. So chemical reaction is twice H2O2 gives twice H2O plus O2. Fourth example is electrolysis of water that we already studied in 9th standard to form H2 and O2. Chemical reaction is twice H2O gives twice H2 plus O2. Similarly, different degradation process takes place in the nature. For example, organic waste is decomposed by microorganism. As a result, manure and biogas are formed. Biogas is used as an fuel. Now discuss third chemical reaction is displacement reaction. Definition of displacement reaction is when a more reactive element removes another element having less reactivity from its compound. These reactions are termed as displacement reaction. When copper sulfate reacts with zinc to form zinc sulfate and copper, chemical reaction is CuSO4 plus Zn gives ZnSO4 plus Cu. Here zinc is more reactive, displaces less reactive element, that is copper, in copper sulfate solution. You solve second example given in our book. Okay. Last chemical reaction is double displacement reaction. Definition of double displacement reaction is the reaction in which ions in the reactants are exchanged to form a precipitate are called double displacement reaction. When potassium chromate reacts with barium sulfate to form barium chromate, so chemical reaction is K2CrO4 plus BaSO4 gives BaCrO4 plus K2SO4. Page number 38. Some questions given below that reaction. You solve that questions carefully. Okay. In this way, we all of us discuss the different kinds of chemical reactions. Okay.